女士们、先生们、朋友们，很高兴在旧金山同美国各界朋友见面，共叙友情，共话友好。中国愿意同美国做伙伴、做朋友。我们处理中美关系的根本遵循，就是相互尊重、和平共处、合作共赢。让我们汇聚起两国人民的力量，赓续中美友谊，推进中美关系，努力为促进世界和平和发展做出更大贡献。
He knows that people-to-people friendship is very strong, and it influences the future. We're thinking the same way. It's an honor to meet him.
I'm learning a lot about Xi's, personal relationship with Americans. I think it's phenomenal that he's maintained personal connections with citizens of our country.
The flying tigers is not a dead issue among the American people. Chinese students coming here and talking, scholars coming here and doing research creates a greater bond based on that unity between the peoples.
People-to-people meetings and relationship building is very important for our two countries. We need each other. Our two countries need each other.
It is critically important that we build personal friendships and use that as an opportunity to hopefully make things better.